It's currently 4:31 a.m. As you can see, it's still dark outside. But I'll start my breakfast, and I currently woke up at 4 in the morning today. And got in my clothes. Yeah, my hair's a mess, but I'm about to start my day, guys. Let's go have some breakfast. Say hi to the camera. So yeah, sometimes I let my dog out. In this case, he wants to go out and pee, I guess. So take him out. Alright, so I didn't have any sausages to eat the eggs with, so currently I just heat up some tortillas, and this is gonna be my breakfast: 3 eggs and 2 tortillas and my tea. Alright, guys, now I'm gonna brush my teeth and let's get going. Let's go. I don't know if you can see me, but all right, guys, it is 5:12 in the morning, and about to hit the road. I go in at 7, but I live like an hour away, and in the morning there's traffic, so I'll probably get there like at 6:30, 6:40. So let's go, guys. Alrighty, so let's head to work, and I'll show you guys pretty much what I do. I might not be doing like disassemble breakers today, but I'll see once I get there. Alright, so I'm inside. It's already 7:07. I got here like at 6:30. Right now, what I'm gonna do basically is just sweep up this room, and head on to my table. Yeah, so the first thing we do in the mornings is sweep up our area. Well, not our area, but we have rooms to like sweep up. So today, I had to sweep up the sandblast room. So that's what I'm doing today. And tomorrow I'm gonna sweep up another room. So we just rotate. So yeah, as you can see right here, I'm using the pallet jack, taking this box out, and I'm gonna open it up and inspect the breaker that's inside. I already inspected one yesterday, so I have 2 more to do, and this is what I'm gonna be doing probably for the whole day because it takes a while. So yeah, right there I'm discussing with my coworkers about the situation, and let's start the day, guys. So you guys might be wondering, why am I screwing that 2x4 on the pallet? Well, this breaker rolls and you don't want this landing on your foot or someone else's foot because it weighs over like 500 pounds easily. So yeah, I do it for safety and also because I don't want to damage anything. Alright, so now here I'm doing the outside inspection on the breaker. Make sure I write down the condition that the breaker came in. Inspect for any kind of broken components. If there are broken components, notify the seller so we can get them replaced as soon as possible. And also check the catalog serial number, accessories, amperage, all that stuff. See if it matches with our paperwork so we can get started with this breaker. Pretty much. So right here I'm getting the breaker in the charge position. That's why I'm cranking it until it clicks, and then I can close it so I can close the contacts. Just so you know, it kind of takes a while, but eventually it'll click. You'll hear it.
Closing.
Alright, so once the breaker is closed, make sure to do another quick inspection, and then now I'm gonna trip it or open.
Tripping.
Alrighty, so that was part of the inspection on this type of breaker. Just check the outside, make sure the breaker closes manually, opens manually, charges manually. Well, now it's gonna get fun because I'm gonna take the cover off and try electrically. So now I'm gonna take off these 8 bolts holding the cover, and once I remove all 8 bolts, I'll remove the cover, put it on the side, and try to find out which wiring goes from the motor to the secondary disconnect, and from the closed coil and from the open coil or shunt trip. Once I had the cover off, this is what it looks like. It's in fast forward, but what I'm doing here is I'm trying to figure out which connector is from where. So from shunt close, shunt trip, and the motor. So once I find out which one goes where, I connect the multimeter, and on the secondary disconnect, I try figuring out which pin is from which one of each component, so I could test individually. So I'll test the motor, the shunt close, and the shunt trip electrically. All 3 of these components are 250 DC or 250 VDC, so 250 volts direct current. And right there I'm with the multimeter. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna do here. So got the power supply set at 250 VDC, and now I'm gonna test the motor and see how it charges.
Closing. Tripping.
So pretty much I electrically operated it, so charge, close, and trip. So as you can see, I also got this little breaker in today to inspect. It's almost the same concept as the other one. To charge it manually, you crank the handle, and to close it, you press the on button, and to open, you just press the off button. And it's the same concept. The only difference is the other one has electrically operated as well, and this one is just manually. It does not have a charge motor or a closed coil or shunt trip.
Closing. Tripping.
So finally, towards the end of the day, I got my breaker that I'm gonna be working on for the rest of the week. So this is a breaker that I'm gonna disassemble, clean the parts, degrease, replace the motor because the motor is damaged on this one. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much what I do here. I'm a mechanic basically on breakers. So yeah, guys. Alrighty, guys, it is currently 4:20 p.m. and I am done for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. This was basically this is basically what I do. This is my job, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I think I need a haircut. Well, yeah, this is I basically test breakers, work on them, tear them down, put them back together, recondition them, pretty much. And it's like like electromechanic, is what you can say. And I like what I do. It's a cool job. I used to work for Discount Tire. Had some knowledge in using tools and air impacts, air tools, but we don't use air tools here. Just normal, 12-volt, 18-volt batteries on drills and stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys want me to keep making content about like this thing that I'm like about my job or anything else, I'm willing to do it. And yeah, guys, enjoy your day and let's keep on rolling. Peace out.